Experience the ultimate in riding pleasure with your Honda Civic's newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. Let's take a look at the fabric pieces. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 2 pieces and includes a solid 1-piece seat bottom cover and a solid 1-piece backrest with built-in headrest covers. Each front seat bottom cushion has buckle clips in the center. On one side is a foam push bar to secure into the crevice of the seat base. The other side has an elastic loop to secure around the seat buckle and also has a hook and loop adhesive strip to fasten to the seat. Now, starting in the front, begin by stretching the seat cover bottom over the seat. Feed the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side. Make sure to tuck the fabric into the crevice as well. Next, feed the buckle straps under the seat bottom. Note on the driver's side, you will feed the buckle straps over the metal bar and underneath the seat bottom to the back side. From the back of the seat, pull the buckle clips and some of the fabric through the crevice. Then pull the straps out from the bottom of the seat. Connect the clips together, tighten and secure. Now use the foam push bar and insert it into the side crevice of the seat base. Then tuck the fabric in to secure. Now stretch the elastic loop around the seat buckle. Tuck the fabric in and fasten the hook and loop strip onto the side of the seat. Next, remove the front seat headrests. Then stretch the backrest cover over the seats and tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Now push the 3 elastic straps through the crevice of the seat bottom and tuck the fabric in as well. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps through the crevice and then fasten them to the underside of the seat. Now attach the back side of the cover to the seat using the 2 hook and loop straps and the adhesive strips. Fasten the straps underneath the seat bottom and secure the cover by pressing down to secure. Next, pop up the rear bench seat bottom by finding the release button on the left and right sides. You will press down on the seat and then squeeze and pull the button toward you. The metal clips on the seat bottom will pop up from the elastic inserts and free the seat. Now stretch the seat cover bottom over the bench seat and line up the cutouts with the straps. You will notice 4 buckle straps. Begin to tuck them into the crevice of the seat and under the bottom. Along the sides of the center of the cover, there are elastic loops with metal clips. Feed them into the crevice and into the cutout areas. Tuck all the fabric into the crevice, and then lift up the seat bottom to begin to secure the cover. First, feed the buckle straps through the elastic loops on the left and right sides. Connect all 4 buckle clips together and make sure to adjust and tighten the straps. Then pull the elastic loops with the attached metal hooks upward and connect each one to the foam underside of the seat bottom to secure. Now set the bench seat bottom back into place by squeezing the release button, then pressing down on the seat to pop it back into place. Next, make sure to recline the rear backrest. Then slip the cover under the seat belt and over each section of the rear backrests, making sure to stretch the fabric over the non-removable headrests and down the length of the backrest. Then push the hook and loop straps through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric in. From around the back, grab and pull the straps out from the crevice and fasten each one to the back side of the seat. Then roll the cover down along the back side and using the adhesive strips, fasten the cover to the back side to secure it in place. Now reinsert the headrests. slip on the headrest covers, and then slip on the front center console cover to complete the installation. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.